Before we check in with Jess, let's check in with you. What you're seeing right now is the lupin field in Whitefield. Gary sent us this video and says it's a springtime and early summer must-see. Just a beautiful shot there, Gary. Thanks for sharing it with us. And remember, you can always send your photos or videos using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app.
Love that. You know how I feel about lupins,
I know.
so they're my fave.
I wasn't going to give you away, but you did it. It looks like those lupin fields will be getting a lot of rain, though, a little later in the week.
Yeah, exactly. By Friday, we're going to see the rain move in. Zach could even have some severe weather on Friday, but we still have a couple more nice days on the way. Things are looking good for tomorrow. Even into the day on Thursday, it'll start pretty nice at least. Temperatures right now anywhere from the upper 50s to about the mid 60s. Still 66 in Portland. Gray is at 58 right now. Lewiston's at 60. Augusta's at 64. Bangor 61. So, you know, pretty comfy out there tonight. Northern Maine in about the mid 50s too. We did have some showers in northern and eastern Maine earlier. Those have pretty much dried out for the most part. Still a couple clouds around tonight. But if you get a chance tonight, get out there. I love this graphic. I'm excited. Get out there and check out that moon if you can see it. It just rose just after 9 tonight. It is partly cloudy, so again, kind of tough to see. But it's called the strawberry moon. The moon isn't actually red or anything like that. Sometimes the moon can appear red when it's kind of rising, when it's a little bit lower in the atmosphere. But it's named after, or the Native American Algonquin tribes named it because, of course, it's strawberry season, so that's why we call it the strawberry moon. It's also a super moon. That's been a buzzword lately. It just means it's a little bit closer to Earth, so it looks a little bit bigger and a little bit brighter. But check it out if you can between some of these clouds. All right, overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we're going to start with sun. Temperatures will be in about the low to mid 60s to start the day. We will warm back up into the mid 70s once we get into the afternoon tomorrow. Things should stay nice and dry for tomorrow too. Looking like a spectacular day. Really, as we head into tomorrow night, a couple clouds around into early Thursday. We'll still see a few clouds. Temperatures Thursday morning going to start very early down in the low to mid 50s, but by 8 o'clock Thursday morning we'll warm up, upper 50s, lower 60s. Things will be just a couple degrees cooler. Highs on Thursday more like low to mid 70s, but still pretty normal for this time of year. Once we get into Thursday afternoon, though, you may notice the trend here. Clouds really start to increase. Couple pop-up showers here. By Thursday night and into early Friday, that's when we'll start to see some rain showers work through the area. And as we go throughout the day on Friday, it's looking fairly rainy. There's the potential, too, once we get into Friday afternoon and evening, for some thunderstorms to develop along a cold front. That's right about here. We could potentially see some severe weather, too. Of course, we'll keep you updated as we get a little bit closer to that. But that's a cold front coming through, which means it's going to be a little bit cooler this weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday will be fairly bright. We'll at least get some sun, but the temperatures will be cooler for those days too. Marine forecast for tomorrow sees 2 to 3 feet. Winds from the northeast 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwesterly by tomorrow afternoon. So again, tomorrow's really similar to what we had today. Should be a nice day overall. On Thursday, those clouds increasing in the afternoon. A couple showers develop late Thursday night into early Friday. Temperatures won't be too bad on Friday. Just ahead of that cold front, we get into what we call the warm sector, upper 70s, lower 80s. That's where all the warm air is before that cold front crosses the state again. That could set off some storms in the afternoon, but we'll keep you updated for sure on Friday. A little bit cooler Saturday. Temperatures, high temperatures only in about the upper 60s to around 70. Few spotty showers early, but looking good for dads on Sunday. Upper 60s, lower 70s, maybe a sprinkle or two. You notice we just put the tiniest raindrop there, Zach, but overall it's looking nice for Sunday. So next couple of days good, and then we'll get that rain, which is going to help get rid of the pollen. So good news there.
That's for sure. Thanks, Jess.
Thanks.